To become a pilot in India, you have to get your pilot medical done, that is, Class 2 and Class 1 medical. Earlier, for Class 2 medical, you had to get it done from a local DGCA approved doctor in your area. But now procedure has been changed. You cannot directly go to the doctor. You need to get an appointment online for class 2 medical on EGCA portal. So today in this video, I will tell you how to create an account on EGCA portal and apply for class 2 medical. Type EGCA in your Google search, click the second link, EGCA login. After clicking the link, the official DGCA website will open. Our first step for the Class 2 medical is to make an account with the EGCA. So click Login to EGCA. For us who want to become a pilot, we have to select the pilot option in the user type in order to make the EGCA account affiliated with the pilot. For medical examiners and the flight training organization, they also have to make an EGCA account as well. Select Submit option. You can read the user manual for detailed knowledge for other aspects also. In the next step, you can see that there are 3 steps to make an EGCA account, which are new and existing users, personal details, and the last is email ID and mobile number verification. We need to fill out all the 3 steps. Are you already a pilot? If yes, you need to register with the existing computer number and the PMR number. Applicants having valid PMR number and holds any of the licenses like student pilot license, flight radio telephony operator license, private pilot license, commercial pilot license, or the airline transport pilot license, he or she should register with yes. The license are needed for identification in further steps. The site is asking for the PMR number. If you have it, you can proceed to second step. Now for those who don't have the computer number or the PMR number, click on the No button. The second step is about the personal details. You will have to fill up your personal details as you fill up in any other account making. Now fill up the first name, middle name, last name, gender, nationality, place of birth. Father's name, mother name, if you have a legal guardian, fill it up. Date of birth, blood group, all the field marked with the star are mandatory as you can't skip it. Now for the correspondence address, if you live outstation due to any reason, you need to fill the temporary or the correspondence address. If you live at your permanent residence, fill up with a permanent address and tick same as the correspondence address. Click Proceed to Step 3. The Step 3 is about the email ID and the mobile number validation. Now you need to attach some documents. The first is the ID proof detail. Click on the ID proof type. Whichever is suitable for you, select it, then open the document. Now the file is attached. The file format should be JPG, maximum size is 40 MB and max one file is allowed. Photo and signature details. Again choose upload your signature. The maximum size is 40 MB, which is great as we don't have to compress the file. I will recommend to go with the JPG type format in all the sections as it is more compatible. Upload your signature, then upload your class 10 mark sheet for identification proof. Now for the address proof, click on select. The best option is passport as it is universally accepted as address proof. If you don't have a passport, you can go with any other choice. For passport, you will require both front and back page photo in one file. Login details. Now you need to create password as it should be a complex one. Follow the table at the right to make one. Email ID and mobile number validation. Now you need to fill up your email ID and mobile number. You can also fill up your alternate email ID and alternate mobile number. It's up to you. Now type the code shown, which is 88W8W in my case. It will be different every time. Now click on the declaration also. You will get an one-time password on your mobile and email ID. Fill up the OTP to verify both your mobile number and email ID for the EGCA account. After doing all the steps correctly, you will get your EGCA ID, which will be used to log in your EGCA account. The EGCA account has been set up, and in my next video, I will tell you how to apply for the Class 2 medical appointment in the EGCA portal. Please like and subscribe my video.